Hi guys, today we will be making homestyle macaroni and cheese. So here hubby is grating about 3 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. Now you can use any flavored cheese that you like. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And next go ahead and start preparing your macaroni according to the instructions on the back. I am using an elbow macaroni, about a pound. Once you finish cooking that, go ahead and drain it and set it aside. In a large skillet, melt 3 tablespoons of butter. You want to just give that a good swirl around your skillet on a medium-high heat till it's melted. Then you will add 3 tablespoons of flour. So here we begin our sauce. We're going to whisk that flour into the butter really well until it's well incorporated. The consistency should be like a paste. After about a minute of whisking that around, add 2 cups of milk to your butter and flour and give that a good whisk. Do not stop whisking, because if you do stop, you will get clumps of flour. So go ahead and make sure that that butter and that flour is mixed very well into the milk. You will see the texture changing. It should thicken up. At this point, you want to add your salt and pepper, a half a teaspoon of both. So at this point, before adding your cheese, turn off your fire and keep whisking. And I add the cheese in little at a time. And that's just only to kind of make sure it blends really well and it's real smooth. You definitely want to do it while your mixture is hot. So guys, I definitely appreciate you watching this video. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so we can enjoy cooking in our kitchen together. Now guys, I am whisking this sauce till it is nice, smooth, and creamy. Next, add your macaroni in. And you can of course move the whisk out the way, and I would suggest a spoon. But I am slowly adding my macaroni in just to kind of make sure everything blends nice and smooth. And you can also gauge how creamy you want your sauce. Next, get your baking dish out and go ahead on and put your macaroni into your baking dish. Spread it on out. And add that last cup of cheese on top. Now guys, I baked this in my oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And at the end of that, this is the result. Nice, creamy, home-style macaroni and cheese. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.